How to post a job on the Djobzy. When you're on the Djobzy profile, look to the right side of the screen and click Switch to Employer. Now you're on the employer page. Scroll down and click Start a new job. For the title, type something simple. For example, sober ride. Then, in the description, write details like, looking for a sober ride this Saturday night after midnight, downtown Vancouver. Next, scroll down and click Next. For the category, type daily driving and select it. Then click Next again. Now, fill in the job details. For the address, write the city, for example, Vancouver, BC, Canada. Under requirements, write valid driver's license. Then click Next. If you'd like, you can attach a file with more information. Next, set your budget. For example, $20. Then click Next. Review everything carefully. Check the box, I'm not a robot, and click Publish. You can even promote your job post for just a small payment to reach more people faster. For example, $5 to move your post to the top of the page. Pay easily with your card or PayPal, and once your payment is successful, click Back to Page. And that's it. Your job is live, and people will start reaching out in minutes. The Djobzy, connecting everyone, everywhere, for everything.